wahala dey for people wey no know say Obodo Oyibo not be only to dey work or they do 2-3 jobs. They do overtime be the solution to living a good life. Better business dey wey you fit do on the side. Even if you dey work, you use and supplement your income. Me, I dey work, so not be say I just sit down one place. And I dey use this business. Me and my husband, they supplement our income. We started this business 4 years ago. When we see and fear catch me, I no go lie. I tell my husband, say me I no do because internet thing they fear me. But as I come look am from far, come see say this business dey legitimate. Thing don dey do. I mean they happy, they make good income. I say now make I follow am more. Now yeah, I follow am. Come see say the business they change lives. Immigrants like us, Africans, we will just come, we just they look for something where we go take survive. Not be just to the work. We can't say this business they change lives. We can't say okay, make we look am deeper. My husband can't they do am. Me I can't follow am. See us today now. God don't bless us. The business has been a blessing to us. Even alongside your job, you can do it. Even while you're sleeping, you're earning. Training is provided. Mentorship. You don't need